Hi, this is a short tutorial on the timeline chart. Now, the timeline chart is a great report when it comes to understanding some of the details around what changes is happening, what are some of the projects, which part of the business is it impacting, and allows you to select the various filters for you to really zoom in on what's going on. Now, let's go ahead and have a look at the timeline chart. Now you'll find the timeline chart under the Reports tab on the left-hand navigation menu. And you'll see that it's got the familiar filters at the top, such as the other reports. Now at the top, we've got the initiative filter that allows you to search by initiative. You've got the company strategy filter for you to select particular company strategy. And like most of the filters, you're able to select multiple items in the drop down. You could select based on, which owner, what the type of changes, who the contact is, and in terms of impact, you could actually select, a particular part of the division, a subdivision within that division and team, geography, change activities, stakeholder groups. So it's a really good overall report that allows you to really zoom in on particular thing that you're looking for. Let's say that we actually want to look at everything to do with initiatives impacting, let's say HR. There's only 2 initiatives. And how about if you say HR as well as manufacturing? So these are the initiatives that impact the 2 business units. And you could even select subdivisions within those divisions. And you could see that in the information, the name of the initiative, the names of the impacts, levels of impacts, the change activities, and what this column tells us is if the initiative has been updated or not. So red indicates that it has not been updated for the past 4 weeks, whilst the green sign indicates that yes, it has been updated in the past 4 weeks. Now the color of the bar chart across here indicates they're actually mapped to different activities, the different change activities. So you could see that the mass communication here is both that green color. On the other hand, the restructure is actually this kind of pinkish red color. Now, if you hover over each of the bar, you can see the start and the end time. And here we could also select the year. And again, there's also the date range selection filter for you to just move around the date range. And again, if you've just entered initiatives and you want to be able to see that straight away, the thing to do is to refresh the report. And similar to other reports, if you want to download, you would simply click this download button and it would generate that as a PDF. So that's the timeline chart.